Okay? Yung buy-in and clarity was mentioned. I'm glad that you mentioned it. Let me clarify something about buy-in and clarity. Siyempre, una yung buy-in. Di ba? Una yung buy-in. Ang problema sa buy-in is it's temporary. If you did not achieve clarity, kukupas yung buy-in eh. So if you tell people, this is the direction we're taking. That's where we're going. Oh, I want to go there. What's the roadmap? What role do I play? If you don't achieve that, yung interest in going to that direction diminishes. Kasi people start doubting if we can ever get there. Right? So, importante yung role natin as a leader to tell the people or to sell the idea of getting there. Pero yung clarity, may management function. Anong plano? Okay, do we have a feasible plan? Do we have a change management plan? What role are people going to take? And yung pinakamalaking kinatatakutan ng mga tao pagdating sa change is, will I be able to perform well in that changed environment? Yun yung pinakalaking kinatatakutan ng mga tao eh. Baka mag-fail ako dyan. So how do you assure people that they're equipped to participate in the change and to be performing well in the changed environment? Trabaho nating lahat ng mga managers yan. Kailangan nating magtulong-tulong to make that happen.